Yes.
After we build this bicycle of 1 hour, we change a new chains. We keep the old sprocket, and the concerning of this bicycle, we worry about the old sprocket cassette is not work properly with the new chain. So now I'm gonna test this bicycle is work properly or not. So if not work properly, we're gonna change. Okay. Hi guys, see you again everyone. After we build this bicycle and we test it, and the new chain and the old sprockets not work properly. So what I'm suggest you to do, if you don't want to pay a lot of money on these trains, I recommend to use only two sprockets. The sprocket number one and sprocket number two. The sprocket number one, normally when we change a new chain, it's not work properly with the old new chain. So I recommend to change this to repair it. It work properly. Yeah, most of the time my experience on this by situation when I change a new chain, old sprocket is not work properly. So please change this. Buy only this, cost like very cheap, and then you save a lot of money on your bicycle. Let's see how we change. Bây giờ đi vòng vạt cái tay mình nhâm lo YouTube khởi là nhâm phút chơi thì hai mươi con điện thả.
Lấy được bạn. Chết chưa rồi. Mày bạn sẵn đó.
Okay, so now we already changed to sprocket. So let's see all together is working or not.
Ừ.